If you believe the internet, everyone out there is making thousands of dollars a month while they sleep. So, why aren't you? Here's the truth. Most of what you've been shown about making money online is a fantasy designed to sell you something. So today, we're doing the honest version. No hype, no magic, just how people actually make money online with real numbers. And by the end, you'll be able to look at any opportunity and instantly tell if it's real or a scam. Here's why it feels impossible. The internet only shows you the highlight reel. The guy with the rented car, the screenshot of a big payout. What it never shows is the years of work, the people who tried the exact same thing and made nothing. Or the fact that he's earning by selling you the dream, not by doing the thing he's teaching. Once you see that trick, you can't unsee it. So let's cut through all of it, because underneath the noise, there are really only two ways anyone makes money online. No matter what fancy name it has, every honest way to make money online falls into just two buckets. Bucket 1, you trade your time. You do work, you get paid for it. Bucket 2, you build an asset. You make something once and it keeps earning for you. That's it. That's the whole map. Freelancing, selling stuff, starting a channel, gig apps, all of it is just a flavor of these two. And here's the important part. Each bucket has a completely different trade-off. Let's open them up. Bucket 1, trading your time. This is freelancing and gig work. Writing, design, video editing, tutoring, virtual assistant work, or delivery apps. The good news? It's the fastest way to your very first dollar. You can start this week and you don't need money to begin, just a skill people will pay for. The catch? Your earnings are capped by hours. There are only so many in a day, and the moment you stop working, the money stops. Realistically, beginners might earn a modest hourly rate that grows as they get better. This bucket is perfect if you need money soon. But if you want money that keeps coming without you, you need the other bucket. Bucket 2, building an asset. You make something once that keeps earning. A product, a digital download like a template, an online shop, or a channel with an audience. The magic? It can earn while you're not working. And unlike your time, it can grow huge. The catch? It's slow, and most people quit before it pays off. You usually earn almost nothing for months while you build it. There's no overnight version. Anyone who tells you otherwise is selling something. This bucket is perfect if you can put in work now for a payoff later. And notice, that's exactly what a channel like this one is. Now, about the most overhyped phrase of all, passive income. It sounds like free money that appears while you sleep. But here's the honest truth nobody puts in the title. Passive income always needs one of two things first. Either money to invest or an asset you already built. The person earning while they sleep either spent years building that asset or had a pile of cash to start with. The passive part is real, but only after the hard part nobody films. So if someone promises passive income with no money and no work, that's your scam detector going off. So here's how to actually use this. Ask yourself one question. Do I need money soon, or can I build for later? If you need it soon, start in bucket 1, trade your time, pick a skill, get your first client. If you can wait, start in bucket 2, build an asset, and be patient. And keep this rule taped to your screen. You can't have fast, easy, big, and passive all at once. Every real path makes you trade something: time, money, or patience. The second someone promises you all four with none of the cost, you've found a scam. Pick one real bucket. Start small. Give it time. That's how it actually works. If this finally made the whole make money online world make sense, subscribe. Real money skills, plain English, zero hype. And next, we put a real number on one of these. How much you actually make from a popular side hustle after every hidden cost. You won't look at it the same way again. See you there.